Hello students, welcome back. I hope you all are fine and safe and enjoying the online classes, right? Okay. Today we are going to discuss the next part in second lesson. Okay? Shall we? So in the previous class we have discussed about greater than and lesser than numbers. Did you remember those? Greater than, the symbol is this one, and less than symbol is this one. If two numbers are same, then we have to write it as is equal to, right? I hope you remember that. And okay, now I have given one question here. 160 is greater than or lesser than 150. So what is the answer? Can anyone guess it? The answer is greater than, right? So what is the a symbol for greater than? So we have to get this symbol. Okay. Now the second topic what we have discussed, ascending and descending order. Ascending is nothing but smaller number to greater number. Smaller number to greater number. So from 115 to 119. So we are going in an order. See, after 115, 116. So 115 is lesser than 116. 116 is lesser than 117. 117 is lesser than 118. And 118 is lesser than 119. So from smaller number to greater number is ascending order. And descending order from greater number to smaller number. See here, from 119 to 115 I have written. See, 119 is greater than 118. 118 is greater than 117. 117 is greater than 116. And 116 is greater than 115. So I hope you all understood this one also. And the third one what we have discussed about ordering. Ordering is nothing but they will be giving 2-digit or 3-digit numbers, and we have to form each number. Okay, see, 4, 7, 8. So what I can form a new number using 4, 7, 8. So it is 478, 478, 478, 487, okay, and 748, 784, 847, 874, 444, 777, 888. So many numbers are coming using only these three numbers. So from these numbers we have to form a smaller number and greater number. Okay, we have to circle the smaller number and greater number. So here the smaller number is, among these numbers 444 is a smaller number. What is the greater number? 888. So they will be giving 2-digit or 3-digit numbers, and we have to form a new number using those numbers. Okay, so let's go into the next topic. So today's topic is addition. Okay, addition. See, I'll give you addition. The symbol is plus. You have learned in your before classes. Okay, so I'll give you one sum. 70 plus 35 is equals to how much? Okay, so here 70 plus 35. Okay, 0 plus 5, any number if we add with 0 is the same number. Okay, so any number if we add with 0, the same number will be coming. So it is 5 here. Okay, then 7 plus 3, 7, 8, 9, 10. So 105. Answer is 105, 105. Okay, so this is the step in which we can count the numbers using our fingers, right? We can count like 7 plus 3, 1, 2, 3. So total 10. We can count like this. But if they have given you the sum like 3-digit number, for example 132 plus 241. So here we can do this sum using abacus. Okay, this is hundreds, this is tens, this is ones. Okay, so here first let us write like this: 132 plus 241. Okay, what is here in ones? We'll write first the upper one. Okay, so what is there in ones here? The upper one, 2. So write 2 beads here. 1, 2. Okay, next, what is in tens place? 3. Right, so in tens place 3 beads. 1, 2, 3. Okay, what is in hundreds? 1, only 1. Okay, 1. Now what is the next one? They have given 241. Right, so again we'll write in ones place. Ones. Okay, 1. What will come in 1? 1. Okay, now in tens place 4. So we have to draw 4 beads. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, and then hundreds place 2. So 1, 2. Okay, now let us total this all things. Okay, so totaling of this, what is coming here? See how many are coming here? 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 1, 2, 3. So write it down here. 3. Okay, write down 3. Now how many are there in tens place? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. How many are there? 7. So write down here 7. Okay, in hundreds, 1, 2, 3. How many are there? 3. So the answer is 373. 373. Okay, understood? So first thing, we are going to take ones, tens, hundreds, and then add again the ones, tens and hundreds, and finally in the ones place we'll add, tens place we'll add, hundreds place we'll add. Okay, the final sum what we are getting? 373. Okay, this is one of the method. We'll see the next method now. Okay, I hope you understood this thing, right? Okay, let's see the second one now. Okay, see children, here we are having 3-digit numbers, right, and a 2-digit number. So we are having how many numbers totally? See here, 1, 2, 3. Okay, so it is very tough for us to add in that previous method. Now this is another method in which we can add easily. Okay, I will show you how. First, what we have to do, write the numbers here. In hundreds place, what is that? 3. What is there? Tens place 4. And ones place 2. Okay, the next number, plus here 5. 1 in tens place. And 5 again in ones place, right? And the next number, see here carefully, very carefully. Here we don't have hundreds, only we have tens and ones. Okay, ones and tens only we have here. So be careful in like this numbers. Okay. Okay, now ones, 2, 1, tens, right? In tens 1. Okay, like this you have to fill the box first. Okay, and now we have to add the total. So in this method, the easiest way is, first we have to add ones. Okay, so ones we have to add first. Here see, 2 plus 5. 2 plus 5 is equals to 7. Okay, plus 2. Okay, plus 2. 7 plus 2, 9. So 9. Okay, 2 plus 5, 7. 7 plus 2, 9. Okay, now we'll go to tens place. Okay, let's add this. 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, 4 plus 1, 5. 5 plus 1, 6. Okay, now here 3 plus 5. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Right? 8, and we don't have anything here in hundreds place. So here it is 0 only. So what will come here? 8. So the answer is 869. So first thing, we have to calculate all the ones, then tens, then hundreds. Okay? Okay, children? So the answer will be 869. Okay? Understood? Shall we go into the next thing? Okay, children, in this method, so we will have a 3-digit number. Okay? I'll tell you what it is new to you. Okay? See, first, leave one box here. Okay? One full box you just leave and write here first this number. Okay? So 5, 7, 6. Right? So 6 is in hundreds place, 7 is tens, and 5 is ones. Okay? And then write this 6, 3, 1. Okay? So what is this? Addition, right? So addition plus symbol. Okay? Now see, first what we have to do? Anything, first we have to calculate ones first. Then we have to go to tens and then hundreds. In any method, the first thing is we have to count ones, tens, hundreds. Remember this. Okay? So we'll calculate now. 5 plus 6. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So 11 is coming. Can we keep 11 here? Can we write 1, 1 here? No. So what we have to do? We have to keep 1 here and we have to forward 1 here. Carry on 1 here. Okay? So 1 is here and another 1 is here in 11. 1 will go up. Any number. Okay? If it is like 14, we have to write here 4, 1. 13, 3, 1. 18, 8, 1. Okay? 28, 8, 2. 39, 9, 3. So what we have to do? We have to carry on that 1 to tens place. Okay? Now see here. We have to add 1, 7, 3 here. In tens we have 1, 7, 3. So 1 plus 7, 8. 8 plus 3, 8, 9, 10, 11. Right? So again 11, 1 here and 1 again up. Okay? Same if it is like 21, 2 here, 1 here. 31, 3 here, 1. Okay? 48, 4, 8. Okay? Now we have to calculate, add the hundreds here. 1 plus 6, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. So the answer is 811. Okay, answer is 811. So shall we do the another sum using this method? Okay, we'll see the next sum. See here, 556 plus 194. Okay, so shall we move on? Now leave one block here and then what you have to write? First this number. Okay, so 6 here, 5 here and 5. Right? 556. And then the second number 4 here, 9 here, 1 here. Right? Okay. So we'll add now. What will come we'll see. Okay. See here. 6 plus 4 how much? 6 plus 4. 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Right? So 10. 0 here and 1. It will go up. Right? Yes. Okay, now 5 plus 1 plus 5, 6, 6 plus 9, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, right? 15. So 5 here and 1 here. Okay, 5 here, 1 up. Okay, now in hundreds, 1 plus 5, 6. 6 plus 1, 7. So the answer is 750. What is the answer? 750. Okay. 750. Understood everyone? Okay. Shall we go into the next topic? Okay. Okay. The next topic is subtraction. Okay. Subtraction means minus. What is the symbol for subtraction? Minus. Okay. The simple form, just see one sum. 45 minus 35. Okay. Subtraction is minus. Minus means we have to take the number from the above number. See here, I will just describe. Minus 35. Plus means addition. So we have to add this both numbers in addition. But in subtraction, we will see the difference means we have to minus this number from this number. Okay. So 5 minus 5. So if we have 5 numbers here and if we cancel the 5 numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, what is the value of remaining lines? 0, right? Nothing, no line is there, right? So 0. Okay, now 4 minus 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Minus 3. So 1, 2, 3. What is the remaining line? 1. So 1. Right? The answer is 10. Okay. This is very easy method, like we can do using a fingertips. Right? The next method, it will be again like addition, having 3-digit numbers. Okay. Let's see that how we can do. Okay. See here. This is a 3-digit number. Okay. So before in addition we have seen using abacus, right? So the same way we will be using abacus method. Okay. First thing what we have to do, 845 344 to make you understand. Okay. So first what we have to do, ones, right? So first this one 5. So in ones, tens, hundreds. Ones, tens, hundreds. So here the first thing 5. Okay, 5 beats. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right? What is next one? Next one is 4. In tens place 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Next 8. So here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 and 8. So addition means what we are doing? We will add these numbers also, we will add in this, right? But in subtraction what we have to do? We have to take away these many numbers from these. Okay. So first one, in ones place we are having 4, right? So we should take away 4 from this 5. Okay. So if we rub 4 numbers from that 1. So 4 numbers we have to take away. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many beads are left now? So 4 beads I have cancelled. So how many beads are left now? Only 1 bead. So 1 here. Okay. Now what is the next thing? In tens place how many? 4. The number is 4. So we have to take away 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. So how many beads are left over? 0. Okay. 0. No bead is there, right? Okay. Now in hundreds how much is there here? 3. Right? So take away from this 8. 1, 2, 3. So how many are left? Let us count now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. How many are there? 5 are there. Okay. So the answer is 501. What is the answer for this one? 501. Very easy, right? Just like in addition, we will add extra numbers. In subtraction, we will cancel the down below numbers. Okay. Understood? Shall we go into the next string? Okay, now the subtraction of 3-digit numbers. The same way how we did in addition, we'll do using 3-digit numbers. Okay, so what I did, I have taken hundreds, tens, ones. Okay, so hundreds, 7, 3, 5, 2, 1, 3. Okay, now we'll take away first 5 lines we'll draw. Okay, okay, so now from 5, how many numbers we have to take away? 3. So 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. So 2 here. Okay, the next one 3. 1, 2, 3. So how many we have to strike? Only 1. Okay, how many are left? 2. Okay, and the next 7 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So how many we have to take away from 7? 2. 1, 2. How many are left? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, 5. So first what I did? Ones, then tens, then hundreds. Right? Ones, tens, hundred. So the answer is 522. Okay. So is this a easy way? Okay. Now let's go into the next method. Okay, now the same way as addition, we will do subtraction. Okay, see here 264 minus 138. Okay, see here I have given one block here. Okay, now in 2, 6, 4, 2 is in 100, 6 is in tens and 1's 4. Okay, now the same way minus 138. Okay, okay, now we will see 4 minus 8. So draw 4 lines here. Okay, now they have asked 8. So we have to cancel 8. Where is the other 4 now to cancel 8? Okay, so this is the method where we have to borrow. Okay, borrow one number from the before number. From the before number we have to borrow one number. Okay, so from 6 I am borrowing one number. So this number will become 14 now. Okay, and this number will become 5 because one number I have borrowed from here now. So this number becomes 14 and this number becomes 5. Okay, so now it is very easy. From 14 we have to take away 8. Okay, from 14 we have to take away 8. Okay, okay, now see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, now take away 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. How many are left now? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. Okay, now what is the tens place? Which number is there now? 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And we have to take away 3 from 5. Okay, 1, 2, 3. How many are left? 2. Okay, here we didn't give any number to the next number. So it is 2 as usual. Okay, so 2 minus 1. What is the number? 1. Okay, understood? So what we have to do here? One number we are borrowing from tens place. If it is like in hundreds, if it is 0 or something. So in tens, if it is the lesser number, we can borrow from hundreds also. Like if it is like 2 here and here only 2 is there. So 2 minus 3 we cannot take. 2 minus 3 we cannot take. So we can borrow 1 from here and again this hundreds will become 1. Okay. So and this one will become 12. Okay. Understood? So we have to borrow one number from this side and from one number from 100 side also we can borrow. Okay. In the next class, I'll tell you in detail about this process. Okay. Thank you children. Practice well in your houses.